If you love sushi, then you will understand the distinctive flavor of tuna, and why it is sought after. Tuna is a popular saltwater fish that is extensively used in Asian cuisines, as well as in other continents like Australia and Europe. Tuna fish are of varying species and are found all over the world, oceans such as bluefin, yellowfin, bullet tuna, to name a few. The life of tuna fish varies from 3 to 5 years, though some are known to have lived for more than 2 decades. They are comparatively easy to catch, and goes in the making of delicious dishes like steaks, salads, burgers, and the like. There are 8 species of tuna, all of which are nomadic, which means that they keep migrating. They are easily found in temperate and subtropical waters of Atlantic Ocean, Black Waters, and the Mediterranean Sea. They are supplied to all the parts of the world, especially Japan and Australia, and are now also listed under the category of endangered species as they are hunted persistently throughout the year. The fish is a powerhouse of essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, potassium, magnesium, iron, vitamin A, B6 and B12, and as such is beneficial for health. Tuna comprises omega-3 fatty acids, which help in bringing balance in the blood vessels, thereby reducing cholesterol in the arteries. As such, the heart is able to efficiently carry out its function of pumping blood throughout the body, maintaining good health. Tuna is rich in potassium, which is known for lowering blood pressure. Omega-3 fatty acids in combination with potassium bring an anti-inflammatory effect to the cardiovascular system, which in turn benefits us by lowering blood pressure, risk of stroke and heart attacks. Tuna is rich in manganese, zinc, vitamin C, and selenium, which help in strengthening the immune system. These antioxidants protect us from diseases like cancer by fighting the free radicals, the byproducts of metabolism on the cellular level. Weight is a major issue faced by majority of people these days. We all like eating tasty food but also maintain a slim figure. Tuna provides us good taste while balancing our calories since it's low in fat content and rich in proteins and nutrients. Tuna contains vitamin B, which is a major component in strengthening bones. This vitamin makes the bones stronger and protects them from injuries like fracture. Add this in your daily diet and watch out for effective results. The vitamin B complex in the fish helps in keeping our skin healthy. It contains a protein called elastin, which gives a smooth tone to our skin. If you wish to improve your skin's health, then bring tuna to your rescue. It will help you get a radiant skin. Antioxidants from the tuna meat fight cancer cells. Studies have shown that regular consumption of tuna helps in eliminating the risk of breast and kidney cancer. Tuna not only improves your metabolism rate but also increases the functionality of your organs, which keeps your body energetic, active, and healthy. Apart from this, it may also help in boosting your immune system.
Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we post new videos.